Right now, the radar is sweeping around quiet for southwest Florida, but you don't have to go very far south to pick up on a wide area of showers and thunderstorms and a very electric storm this morning. Look at all the lightning here from Isla Mirada, Layton, all the way down towards the 7 Mile Bridge. And this is all thanks to that front. This is that boundary that moved to the south, and with it today, we'll shift our winds. You can see late morning and afternoon that wind out of the northwest. So if we're to pick up a shower or a small thunderstorm today, it's going to happen inland. Glades, Hendry, and maybe even the rural sections there of Collier County, and we'll watch the sea breeze collision here near the lake. Our rain chances, even inland, only about 20, maybe 30% if you're trying to be on the high side, as that northwesterly wind is going to allow the rest of us to be mostly sunny and hot with temperatures there in the low 90s. We do need the rainfall for Punta Gorda. We're down almost an inch for the year, and just for the month of May, a little over an inch and a quarter. A couple of heavy downpours right over the rain gauge of Fort Myers has kept the numbers up, and you can see our temperatures this morning in the low to mid 70s. That's down 10 to 12 degrees right now from Arcadia all the way through Punta Gorda, and all of us down about at least 4 to 5 degrees. And the dew points are in the mid to upper 60s. And while it doesn't seem like a lot, we'll take every bit of drop of humidity this time of year for sure. And you can see the winds here are fairly light now, but let's look at that direction and speed, because it's going to stay northwest, and we'll see it gust there 15, maybe getting up a little over 20 miles per hour late this afternoon, but it's going to take that rain inland. The wind is not brisk enough to cause any kind of advisories or cautions out there, as our seas will be 1 to 2 feet. Water temperature there at 86. So the record on this date, 97. Going back a few years ago to 2017, we're going to be much closer to the average here today, with some warmer temperatures not out of the question inland. And then overnight tonight, we'll settle into the mid to upper 70s. As far as the 7-day goes, our rain chances only get up to about 30% here Tuesday and Wednesday, as we'll see some isolated storms. Sunny and hot here with a chance only about 20% inland, and overall it's a fairly dry forecast considering where we're at this time of year. On average, our rainy season usually kicks in around May the 15th, so we're just not quite there yet.